Building the Islamic State. Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu always kept close to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to help in matters of strengthening the new center of Islam and the influence of Muslim brotherhood. Covenants with the Jews. During this period, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, and other Muslims did their best to foster relations with the Jews. Jews were settling in the suburbs of Al-Medina. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam held with them a pact of mutual support. However, the Jews did not respect their covenants on several occasions.
We really need to slow down Muhammad's progress.
What are you gonna do if Quraysh comes in here looking for trouble, huh? What are you gonna do? You gonna stick with Muhammad or what?
I mean, we did make a promise to help them. We should honor our agreement, right?
Huh? You see what he said? It's funny, man. I tell you, that man has got talent. Oh, I love that Help Muhammad line. Oh, man, that's funny.
Threats from other tribes, especially from the Quraysh in Mecca, were increasing. Day after day, the Muslims felt the need to strengthen their forces in order to stand fast against the forces of evil. Challenges to the message of Islam. The Muslims settled in Al-Medina under the protection of the Ansar. But the Quraysh forced and threatened the polytheists of Al-Medina to provide help to them against the Muslims. Upon this, Allah allowed the Muslims to fight the Quraysh in self-defense. The Muslims began patrolling outside Al-Medina for security purposes. They received the news of a Quraysh caravan nearby. They went towards it to check it. Abu Sufyan, the leader of the caravan, got news of the Muslims coming towards them. In fear of their attack, he changed his direction and managed to escape. He also sent a warning to the Quraysh that their trade caravan was in danger. But when felt safe, he sent another man to deliver good news to the Quraysh about the caravan. However, Abu Jahl, a leader of the Quraysh and a bitter enemy of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Islam, insisted on putting an end to any future threat from the Muslims. He convinced other chiefs to march to Al-Medina to destroy the Muslims and Islam.